In this video, we're talking about was and were. Now, Robert is at work.
Is at work.
Robot.
Robert is at work.
Now, Robert is at work. At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. He was in bed. He was asleep.
Okay. Now in the next part,
Now, in the next part,
we are going to learn
we are going to learn
the difference between present and past.
the difference between present and past.
In present, we say I am tired now.
In present, we say, I'm tired now.
In past, we say I was tired last night.
In past, we say, I was tired last night.
In present, we say where is Kate.
In present, we say, where is Kate? In past, we say, where was Kate yesterday? In present, we say, the weather is good today. In past, we say, the weather was good last week. Now we're going to do the next.
You are late.
You're-
Present.
You are late is present.
And
You were late
yesterday.
yesterday is past. They
You
are.
aren't here.
You aren't here.
आप इधर नहीं है.
आप इधर नहीं है.
They weren't here last Sunday.
They weren't here last Sunday.
वो पिछले संडे को इधर नहीं थे.
वो पिछले संडे को इधर नहीं थे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
टेबल में पॉजिटिव का है.
पहले टेबल में पॉजिटिव का है. आई वॉज.
नेगेटिव बनने का तरीका है.
दरमियान वाले में नेगेटिव बनने का तरीका है, बनाने का तरीका है. एंड द लास्ट वन में क्वेश्चन बनाने का तरीका है. यानी क्वेश्चन आप वाज और वर्ब को शुरू में ले आए तो क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा. Last year,
Rachel was 22.
Rachel was 22. So
she is 23 now.
So she is 23 now.
यानी पिछले साल 22 साल की थी.
यानी पिछले साल 22 साल की थी.
इसलिए अभी यह 23 साल की है.
अब वो 23 साल की है. When I was a child,
I was scared of dogs.
I was scared of dogs.
जब मैं एक बच्ची थी,
जब मैं एक बच्ची थी,
मुझे कुत्तों से डर लगता था.
मुझे कुत्तों से डर लगता था.
We were hungry after the journey.
We were hungry after the journey. But
सफर के बाद हम भूख लगी हुई थी हमें. But we weren't tired.
But we weren't tired. मगर हम थके हुए नहीं थे.
The hotel was comfortable.
The hotel was comfortable.
होटल आरामदेह था.
होटल आरामदेह था.
But it wasn't expensive.
But it wasn't expensive.
मगर ये महंगा नहीं था.
वो इतना महंगा नहीं था.
Was the weather nice when you were on holiday?
Was the weather nice when you were on holiday?
जब आप छुट्टी पे थे तो मौसम अच्छा था.
जब आप छुट्टी पे थे तो मौसम अच्छा था.
Your shoes are nice.
Your shoes are nice.
Were they expensive?
Were they expensive?
क्या वो महंगे थे?
क्या वो महंगे थे?
Why were you late this morning?
Why were you late this morning?
आज सुबह आप लेट क्यों थे?
आज सुबह आप लेट क्यों थे?
ठीक है. इन मतलब सवालों के शॉर्ट आंसर्स जो हैं,
इन सवालों के जो शॉर्ट आंसर्स जो हैं
वो यस वाले पहले टेबल में बनते हैं.
यस वाले पहले टेबल में बनते हैं.
और नो वाले सेकंड टेबल में जैसे बनते हैं वैसे बनाने हैं.
और नो वाले सेकंड टेबल में बनते हैं जैसे बनाने हैं.
No, I wasn't.
No, I went. No, I wasn't. No, we weren't.
Yes, I was. Yes, we were.
Yes, I was. Yes, we were.
Were you late?
Were you late?
क्या आप लेट थे?
क्या आप लेट थे?
No, I wasn't.
No, I wasn't.
नहीं, मैं नहीं था.
नहीं, मैं नहीं था.
Was Tom at work yesterday?
Was Tom at work yesterday?
क्या Tom काम पर था?
क्या Tom काम पर था?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
हाँ, वो था.
हाँ, वो था.
Were Sue and Steve
Were
at the
Sue
party?
and Steve at the party?
Were Sue and Steve at the party?
Were Sue and Steve at the party?
No, they weren't.
No, they weren't.
क्या सू और स्टीव पार्टी पर थे?
Guess Sue or Steve party birthday?
No, they weren't. नहीं वो नहीं थे.
No, they weren't. नहीं वो नहीं थे.
Next पे जाओ. ठीक है. This is how we actually
This
uh,
is how we make
sentences in past
sentences in past
tense.
tense.
If you have question, please send us a message on WhatsApp.
If you have a question, please send us a message on WhatsApp.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.